Hi everyone. So for this assignment, we had to do a feedback on one of our classmates. The classmates that I did my feedback on was on Ryan Little. For Ryan's website, I feel that what struck me the most was that the portfolio theme, it felt very professional and it showcases your work, which is one of the most important things. I liked your logo. I feel like it's very direct. It represents you, and it definitely is very, very professional and modern. I also feel like you definitely included your work and your information about yourself, and as well as the contact information, which is really important. It made me want to revisit my own portfolio because I thought about including my print work. In my portfolio, I didn't include that. So it made me revisit to think if I should include that in mine. Also, I would like to know what were you trying to accomplish or highlight with the industrial theme. So I feel like it's very, very cool, the view of the buildings and this area right here that it looks like life and everything. But what were you trying to accomplish with that theme? Does it connect to you and to who you are? Also, did you mean to have the contact heater right here? It's a little bit different, this, from the about me. So was it supposed to be different like that? Or what did you want it to make it like distinguish between the about me and projects from the contact? I think that have you thought of maybe including a picture of yourself here in your about me section? Also, you might want to consider maybe include your resume in your about me so people, employers and people know what you've done in your past, in your career, what do you want to accomplish in the future, and what you want to work towards too. Also, I feel like in the main menu area right here, I would either put the heaters projects about and contact maybe a little bit more down or include something here in the middle. I feel like that blank space confuses whoever's looking at the website. I don't know. It looks a little bit of too blank and it doesn't really point where to go. So I feel like maybe the arrow could be a little bit more up or more visible. That would be really good because it gets kind of lost in between the building. I feel like this portfolio, you could definitely expand it with all of your future works and keep it always up to date with the new things that you do for new classes or in your work, new works that you do, not only on your school work, but also on your professional life. So I think that's very, very important that there's something that you really, really can accomplish and make it work for you. Also, perhaps you can add more emphasis by giving it more details about your story. In your story area, I feel like you talk what you like, what your passion is, and everything. But I feel like you may want to talk where that came from. How long have you been interested in this? Why is it a passion for you? Why does it move you? And all that stuff. But in general, I think you did a really great job in your portfolio. It includes all your works. You included video. Maybe another video would be a good idea. But you did a very good job. So congratulations, Ryan, and thank you.